Have you ever once thought about the places that you learn in your history classes and tried to envision what it would be like to go to the architecture and buildings that accompany these cities? Hello, my name is Dennis Istifle, and I am a biomedical sciences major here at Seminole State College, and I am here to talk about architecture and visiting new cities of the ancient world. Growing up, I was always really interested in history class, as social studies was my favorite class in elementary school. I was constantly studying maps and reading textbooks in order to gain a better understanding of the world and the history around us. In sixth grade, I was able to take a world history class, and one of my favorite units in this class was the topic of ancient Rome. Learning about how people lived and the different types of buildings that they built was staggering. Every other year, my family goes to Turkey to visit our distant relatives, and every year that we go, we try and take a tour to cities in Europe. This year, my parents decided that we should go to Italy to see the different types of art and architecture there. I was ecstatic to go. When we got to Italy, I got to visit Rome and Florence, and these were some of the best cities I've ever visited. Even though it was really hot and there was a lot of walking that Americans are not accustomed to, it was a staggering and mesmerizing experience. My vacation to Rome has taught me that even though it's thousands of miles away, there's a whole new world of people and architecture and art that just lives so lively within a city. My favorite of this is the Colosseum in Rome, and just thinking about how in textbooks we read about the Colosseum and how people built it, but seeing it with your own eyes and living it out is a different type of experience. So, the next time you learn about a place in history in a textbook, a news article, or in class, just imagine how it would be like to see it in person and just know that there's a whole new world there full of art, architecture, and history.